This time we are doing a cheetah look. I already did a cat liner. I kind of like added those underneath because it gives more of a feline look, and you really want to extend the wing liner, make it a little bit like thick. I'm starting off with a metallic accent. You want to do a kind of oval shape with it, but you don't want it to be the same pattern all over again. You can do like one a little bit more rounded, another one a little bit more oval, then you can do a shape like a free and small ones. Be free and be inconsistent with the pattern for this one. Do as many as you want. Don't forget to add a little bit in between the brow and the eye. When you outline the shape, don't complete it. You would want to keep at least 1/4 of the outline empty. There, you see how prettier it looks when you do like inconsistent pattern. You don't have to always be keeping like the lower bit empty. You can change it. So I just added lashes. Girl, it's most probably one of the easiest one I did. It's so nice. You can play around with the accents. You can wear metallic, you can wear bright colors as well. There is no limitations, and you know, makeup is fun. Just have fun too.